What is the value of peak current in a circuit? It's given that the capacitor is connected with 210-ohm source which is having a 50 Hz of frequency. It's known that the peak current or else the maximum current can be calculated using a formula Ohm's law, which is nothing but V is equal IR. From this we can write I is equal V divided by R. So here the value of V is nothing but V maximum. So we can write V naught divided by R here will be the resistance because of the capacitance. So we can say it will be the reactance of a capacitance. So this is our formula to find the value of peak current. It's whereas there is no value of maximum voltage. So we can write V naught is equal root 2 times VRMS because the value of VRMS, which is nothing but the maximum value from the battery, is given as 210 volt. Similarly, there is no detail about the reactance of a capacitance, but we know that the reactance is equal to 1 divided by omega C, and omega is equal to pi F as well. So when we are rearranging an equation, I naught will be equal to root 2 times VRMS times 2 pi nu times C we will get. Now we can apply the values because VRMS is equal to 210 from the figure, whereas F frequency from the battery 50 Hz, whereas C is given as 10 microfarad in the diagram. So now we can apply all the values. So I naught will be equal to root 2 times 210 times 2 pi times 50 times the value of C 10 times 10 to the power negative 6. When we are simplifying this, we will get the answer as 0.93 ampere. So the correct answer for this question is option D.